Welcome back to another video, guys. I have sinned against my wife and I have visited Goodwill all by myself. And you know what? It honestly feels nice in there. The only downfall and the only thing I regret was that.
What?
Oh my God.
What?
Zaya, look up! Look up!
Hey! What? Oh my God.
It's a spider, bro. Take care of it, babe. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Don't.
Mama, you're G.
Bro, you just used your hands? I was looking for a paper towel. They're right here.
You and Zay are freaking babies, dude. Zay acted like somebody was in the freaking house. Did you see him?
Hey, be nice, be nice. That's our savior right here.
Heaven.
Honestly, I feel really bad for going without you now. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I found some stuff that we're gonna go ahead and repurpose, we're gonna upcycle, we're gonna flip, and honestly, I'm probably gonna sell some of this stuff. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go run to the car and I'm gonna show you.
Can I get my food while you run to the car?
Sure. We're gonna start small, okay?
Okay.
Okay. First things first.
We already have one of those.
Yes, but we need more. Got a little shelf. Nothing crazy. It's nice and heavy though. Feel how heavy it is. But what I was thinking is taking these off and then using them on a bigger shelf. It's really nice though.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. We're staying small. I want to kind of put this on our Disney wall that's going to be in the hallway with all of our Disney memories. What does it say?
Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but the moments that take our breath away. That's cute.
It'd be cute, right? And it was only $1.50.
Oh.
Not bad, not bad. But it gets better.
You have an addiction.
I really do, bro.
I know you do.
Because I walked in and I'm like, do I need a car? I don't need a car. And then I got a car because I knew I was going to need
Now,
it.
and you used to get mad at me. Now I'm glad it jumped onto you.
Okay, I got something for you.
What is it?
For your coffee bar.
Oh, nice. That's dope.
Right? Maybe
Yeah.
you could just use it for
Yeah, I'll
decoration.
just use it for decoration.
Yeah, I don't like
love
to use
that.
cups from the dollar or from the.
Yeah, we just use them as decoration.
But it's a Starbucks cup, $2.50. But it's like a bowl. Like,
Yeah, maybe like a soup bowl or something.
I don't know what this is,
Oh, that's cute.
but I bought it just because it says Magnolia on it. Because it's the
What is
earth
the
in
name of
hand.
that show? We were just watching it.
I don't know, but it's kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
Like I figured I could make something and this hangs from it. Like it's like,
You don't have to make anything. Oh, like something to hold that.
yeah, like, I
Or
don't
you
know.
can even put that on a coffee bar.
I don't know, it's really cool. Ah! How much was it?
We can put some plants
How
coming
much
out
was
of
it?
it. $1?
I don't know what this is for, but I just wanted it because it could be turned into something really cool, right? I could see that turn into like something cool. But check it out, guys. It's a little.
I just want you guys to know that Jordan told me today we can't be spending all this money anymore.
And then okay, guys. So I did my taxes, and I thought I was gonna owe a lot.
And then you told me not to touch that money.
of money. But then I also found out some. Okay, I talked to a CPA.
You were already eating, weren't you? I can smell your
Oh no! I
breath.
swear to God, no. I had a cookie.
Anyways, he told me, babe, we got so and so, or like so much money, but we're gonna put it in the savings. Don't touch it. And what are you doing?
Honestly, I love going to thrift stores by myself.
You're in.
Look at guys, I like this. This can be turned into something really cool.
Okay.
Okay, now we're ready for some big things.
Hurry, because
Are you ready?
he's starving me right now, you guys.
I'm so excited.
My food is sitting right here. A desk?
Bro,
A school desk?
it's an all metal, super heavy, $12.
What are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna sell it.
Who's gonna want that?
With everybody doing school from home, dude, this is perfect. This would be perfect for Ellie too to like do her schoolwork
Why don't you keep it then?
because I want to sell it. But it's so heavy. Think about it. If I paint this really nice,
Yeah.
how nice would this be? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm honestly struggling.
Put it
This is
up.
my hit workout for the day. Feel how heavy it is, Jasmine.
Oh yeah, that is.
It's
heavy.
so heavy. How nice is that?
We should give it to Ellie.
We should just sell it. We can sell this for $40, guaranteed.
Babe, like you don't have to sell everything.
No, but see, if you want to go thrifting, damn. That's so cool, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, this is my favorite thing.
Oh my god, dude.
Okay.
This guy has. Did you vlog yourself? Probably.
I vlog nothing
Good.
because you had the camera. I didn't vlog.
I didn't.
5, 4. Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is from Pier 1 Imports. I paid $14 for it. for the front when we walk out of our house.
Oh, that's really nice.
Right?
Just like that too.
So nice.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna have to tune into another video to see it.
Wow.
Just playing.
That's really nice. I like that a lot.
Dude, look at this. This wicker.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so nice.
That's probably your best buy.
I don't like Best Buy.
I like this a lot.
Right? And it's so heavy.
Where?
It's real wood.
Where?
Where what?
Are we putting this?
Right there. On the way out of the door. Look, it has the hooks right there.
Oh, like on that wall?
Yeah.
Oh, right now.
No. I want to redo it.
No, babe, I like it like
I
that.
kind of want to paint the wicker white.
I knew you were gonna make it ugly.
I just realized it. We were trying to hide all the mess behind the camera, and there's a mirror there pointing at it the whole time. It's not really a mess, guys. It's the food we're about to eat and stuff we just bought. It's a pyramid mirror.
That's really.
Look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh! $125.
Dang, this is a good find. What Goodwill did you go to? Right here?
The one right here.
Wow.
And you know what's funny is this lady got it. Like, I grabbed it and I was going to check out, and she goes, "Babe," because her husband made her put it back, and she's like, "I hope you really enjoy that mirror. Me and my husband are fighting on the way back home, the whole drive." She's like, "I wouldn't even go in the car with him if he wasn't my ride home."
Why would she put it back? You know how many times you tell me to put things back, and I'm like, no. And we buy it.
that just to like argue with you.
Why would she put it back? That's not her dad.
It's so nice. Look at the wicker, guys. Everything's in like near perfect condition, right?
Yeah, that's nice.
Right?
I like that.
I need a mirror every time I leave the house. I always like.
Okay, but put it so that I can look at myself too. No, don't be dumb. Jordan, I like that. Yay!
And then we can hang different stuff right here.
Yeah.
Dude, I love this. Does it look
love
nice
that.
like that?
Uh-huh.
No, I don't need to do anything to it?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know, man. I'm telling you.
I like it like that, but I mean, if you want, but it's like I don't want you to make it ugly, and I feel like you kind of.
I was making faces, but I forgot you could see me through the mirror.
All right, I'm ready to eat. So we decided to keep this desk for Ellie so she can start playing school when Zay's in school and I can be teaching her stuff. And so because it's so like ugly colors, we were looking for different ideas, and I saw this really cute one that it's white, pink, and gold. And first of all, it'll match with her room, and second of all, it's so cute and girly. I think that it would work out perfect for her.
Why did you say that?
The words didn't come out of my mouth.
All right, so we got the top off. This is probably the heaviest part of it. That's all metal. But this actually looks like, after Ellie's done with it, maybe we can turn it like into a planter or something. Close, baby. I'm gonna show you your new desk where you can learn.
I can't see.
Don't look yet.
I can't see.
And
Look
open.
at-
I love it. Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Look, it's got pink on there too, on the sides. You like it?
What do you think, baby? Think you can learn a lot on here?
Yeah. I want to color it.
You wanna color it?
On it.
You want Daddy to put your name on here with the cricket?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You love it, huh?
I just want to sit in it.
Yeah, we'll paint your chair so you
Daddy got to get a chair for you too, okay?
Thanks.
You're welcome, baby.
Daddy, go under it.
Hello.
I did.
And look at the screws. Daddy painted the screws pink. Oh, guys, I messed up right here. And I accidentally sprayed this, so I'm gonna have to respray this on this side with gold. But other than that, everything's good.
And
I totally forgot to cover it. Hey, 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 no judging. It was like that. I should have sanded it more, but it's not a big deal.
yeah, that's cute.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to drop a like. Be sure to come back because we post videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, as well as check out our vlogging channel. Links will be in the description. We post there every single day. Let us know what you guys think about this or what color you would have painted it. Have a good one, guys.